Take your kids fishing. It'll save their life, teach them valuable skills. That's a must. I set up these kids. There are 5 of them. I had 4 poles in the water. The one kid was swapping off with the others. Before you know it, we had a single, we had a double, and then we had 4 fish on at one time. As these kids are bringing up these fish, I'm no longer fishing. I'm just running around managing, unhooking fish for kids. We had 4 hookups at the same time. We're shaking off fish. It's unbelievable. We got fish slamming on the boat. The kids are just going nuts. As I look over the side of the boat, the B1 bomber has such attraction that it brought a whole school of halibut up off the bottom. I look over the side of the boat. All I seen was halibut. There was half a dozen at any given time following one lure. We had 4 lures in the water. There was 20, 25 fish rising up to get a sniff, just a sniff, of the B1 bomber. Taking their turn, waiting in line. As soon as we throw one off, bam! Another one, another one, another one. Nothing but pure fish pounding action. That's all there was. For a minute there, time stands still. There was a quiet over the water. The kids were screaming, and I was in the zone. I knew how Brett Favre felt. I was there. I brought about this for these kids. Those kids will never think about fishing the same ever again. And next time they open up their own parents' tackle box and they don't find Kodiak Custom Fishing Tackle, you know what these kids are going to want for Christmas? You know what they're going to tell their parents? You know why we don't catch any fish, Dad? Because we ain't got the best.
We got Nick Bauer here fighting a huge halibut. This is going to be a big one.
Got cramps. Taking mine again. Should have kept them coming.
Oh my gosh. Now we're going to have to figure out how to get this thing in the boat.
Oh, man, that is small.
That's close to a 200-pound fish.
Oh, no!
That's about a 6 foot
Plus.
Well, that fish is about a little bit taller than you are, and it weighs more than you do. 200-pound halibut, ladies and gentlemen, caught on none other than Kodiak Custom Fishing Tackle.
Here at Kodiak Custom Fishing Tackle, every lure is handcrafted by a team of dedicated professionals